Hey guys, so I was in the market for a new pair of flip-flops since my old generic $5 one had broke recently, so I decided to go on Amazon and check out one that probably would last a little bit longer, and I came across this one which was on sale for around $10. This is the Nike Ultra Celso Thong style flip-flop. I got it in the black color just because it's less likely to look dirty, but they definitely come in a lot of different colors. As usual, I'll put the product link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. Having worn these for about 2 months now on a daily basis, I am ready to render my review. So here we go. So first off, as you can see, it definitely does pick up a little bit of dirt along the ridges here. And of course, you can tell that it's used on the bottom with the specks of dirt on the bottom in the treads. But other than that, I would say that it maintains its new-ish look pretty well. It's made out of this lightweight plastic that is both comfortable and also durable. It provides a decent amount of flex when walking in them, and you can see the actual footbed has not only the Nike logo but also these ridges all along the footbed that keeps your feet securely in the flip-flop once you have them in. The thong straps are made out of this material called buck, which is kind of like a neoprene feeling material. So it's soft and it's flexible, so I don't get any kind of rash or skin irritation when wearing these, and not always the case with certain flip-flops. But unfortunately, this also makes the material not really waterproof, so I wouldn't really recommend these for shower shoes. You could probably get away with just going to the beach with them, but not something that you'll be constantly soaking your feet in with these. The midsole, or rather the only sole on this shoe, is completely made out of rubber, so it provides a good amount of grip and also a good amount of cushion. And then moving on to the outside of the sole, you can see there is plenty of traction pods all over the place. There's little stripes at the very tip at the toe, so that it provides even more grip if you're on your tippy toes. So I really think that the sole is really what sold it to me over just buying another pair of cheap $3 to $5 generic flip-flops. So this is, for example, the flip-flop that I wear when I go swimming. You can see that it has clear points where the strap is locked down to the actual sole. You don't have that here on the Nike one. Just showed that there's a attention to detail and not just a very simple assembly here. And not only that, the generic one also has very little grip on the bottom, as you can see here, so it really doesn't provide any kind of traction on a slippery surface, which I have no problems with in this Nike one. In addition, the strap is also just plastic, so it may irritate some people, but I think when I first got the Nike Celso flip-flop here, I actually found that it was a little bit uncomfortable. I think it's just I wasn't used to the kind of more firm rubber sole that it had compared to my regular flip-flop, which is mostly this kind of foam material, so it's a little bit more soft, a little bit more pliable. But after a while, after I broke in wearing these for a week or so, I definitely really started to appreciate the traction and how well they fit my feet very snugly without very much wiggle. So I can definitely recommend these. They're really inexpensive for what they are. I can definitely project that these will last for quite a long time. In terms of fit and sizing, I would say they run a little bit on the small side, but that's also kind of tend to be a Nike trend, that they tend to run a little bit smaller, maybe half a size smaller than you would for other athletic brands. So just take that into consideration when you purchase these, and especially if you purchase it off Amazon, you can always return them anyways if it doesn't fit you properly. So again, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested.